Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your personal access token in GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your profile, settings, and then you will need to go to the developer settings here at the bottom. We'll click developer settings. Here you go to personal access tokens, and here we will find tokens. After that, you will need just to click on generate new token and click on them. You can give them just a description or a name for something, for example app 1, and then you give it an expiration date. After that you can just select some scopes, etc., and then you will click on generate token. After that you will need just to copy this token, and this is your personal token or personal access token. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.